Hey, what's going on, Profit Bulls? I am no way, shape, or form sponsored by Robinhood. This is simply an overview. What's going on, guys? We're going to go over the Robinhood web-based browser. Up in the top left-hand corner, you have a feather or a leaf icon, which would bring you back to the main screen right here. Um, you got your search bar where you can search for the symbols. Free stock. Click on this, and you have your referral link. That way you can get your free share when your friends sign up. Um, you got account. It shows you your account overview with stocks and options, cash available, stocks. Margin is good health because I'm running margin. Buying power, instant deposits 10,000, withdrawable cash, enable dividend investments. Day trades. This is something you got to be careful with because you don't want to be marked as a pattern day trader or PDT rule. If you do go over your 3 in a 5-day given period, you will be penalized. I think it's a 90-day suspension, but you still would be able to sell on a Monday, buy a Monday and sell on a Tuesday, but you're not able to buy and sell the same day. That's why right now I have 3. I'm maxed out. I would have to wait until I think the middle of next week for these to disappear, but I'm still able to day trade, as in buy today and sell tomorrow, or swing trade. Um, your banking history will show what's pending or recent fills. You have your transfers. This would be from the bank's orders that have been placed or canceled, bought or sold. Robinhood Gold, dividends. It will show you your dividends that you received. Um, Options events, what's coming up, expiring April 9th, April 3rd. Rewards. Mm, Documentations will have your tax document and accounting statements, etc. Settings will show your personal information, like all this here. Um, Investing, gold, options trading. You can downgrade, remove it. Preferences, market hours. Then we can go back to here, go back home, and now we're at the home menu. Um, this panel here, you have your overall account value by the day, what you previously was up. Week, I was up 5,254. You can go all time, most popular collections. So we're going to click on that. So with any of these, you can click on 100 most popular. Come on. I will show the company's name here on the left, the symbol that they go by, the price they're trading at, if they're up or down during that day, the market cap popularity, analyst ratings. You can click these settings and look at why it's 100% buy. Why does the analyst say that? You can also do searches here for stocks under certain prices, price change over a day or 5-day or month, raising or falling, market cap. You can change all these to your preference to scan. This is pretty much a scanner. So we're gonna go back home, and we're gonna look at this tab here now. Right now I have options: Tesla, Amazon, Delta Airlines, Google, Starbucks, Facebook, Apple, and then when you scroll down, you'll see your stocks that you own, and then your watch list. You can click on the particular stock you want to look at and remove from watch list or add to watch list, and go back home. All right. So now we're gonna search the stock here, and we're gonna show you how to buy and sell. Let's look up JNUG. JNUG is a gold ETF. Alright, so here it gives you the overview of the company's, I guess, portfolio. I did trade options. That's all the ones I'm in right now. Upcoming event. They're doing a, oh, excuse me, this is what I placed for. You can read about the company, dividend yield. So they do pay dividend. The history. So I actually did own these shares at one time, but then I sold it for that price. So I was up about, I think it was 1,500. Okay. So then let's go over to this panel here. This panel here, buy JNUG will also have a sell JNUG. But I don't have any shares, so we're gonna act like we're gonna buy. So we're gonna do shares. I want 100 shares, which will cost you at market price $6.28. Market price is whatever the market is trading at. This price right here will fluctuate when you hit the send order. You can change that to limit order by clicking the three dots in the right hand corner and clicking limit. Say I want to buy JNUG. It's currently trading at 628. I want to buy it for 620. You're going to put 620 in. You can change this for today or do 90 days out for when that stock will hit that 620 mark. You'll hit review order and hit buy. If you want to change anything, then you have to hit the edit button, go back and change it. Stop loss is a must. Stop loss order, when you click on stop loss, you're going to set a price for how much you want to lose. You should lose no more than 1 to 2%. Some go up to 8%. So let's say this is trading at 628 right now. I don't want to lose more than the stop price we're going to put in for 615. 100 shares, good to cancel, and then you're going to submit order. That is the same thing with stop limit order. Trailing stop order is where the market goes up. Let's say you want to do it by 10 cents. And then it will trail. Every time the stock goes up, this will follow. And then when the stock falls at 10 cent, it will automatically sell your shares. So that way you still capitalize. You'll never lose the money. Let's go into options. Alright, options trading. When you buy call, you're hoping the market goes up. When you buy a put, you're hoping the market goes down. Options do run on contracts bi-weekly basis. So April 24th, which is this upcoming Friday. Then the second week on May 1st, which would be Friday. So they always end on a Friday. And every contract, so one contract equals 100 shares. So let's say I want to buy this 650 strike price of JNUG. I'm going to click on it, go to continue, and you're going to enter your contract. So one contract is 100 shares, so you're going to pay $50 because of 50 cents. That is what is currently trading at for this contract. You can always go out to June 19th and look at these ones. I do already have one for June 19th. So let's go with this one. So you're going to be paying $173. I got to take this one off. Go back to the June 19th. So you're going to be paying $123 for that contract. You're going to hit view, submit order. We're going to cancel that. Click up here. You can do a limit order and a stop limit order. Stop limit order is very good on the options. You don't want to lose too much money. Alright, let's go back to the main menu. Now here's where you can do a lot of the research, what news is coming up. Like for instance, Tesla, get ready for mega cash for clunkers, Morgan Stanley admits. So Tesla has, Robinhood has top movers. You can show more top movers that is moving pre-market or on Sundays due to news or due to earnings or pretty much any announcements that they make. Um, we can click on, for example, BioChrist. Same thing, you could click on shares or dollars. Dollars will be your fractional. So if you only have $100, you can only buy 30 and a quarter shares. If you want to do shares, you just put it in. I want 100 shares, and you'd pay $331. Let's see what's next. Read about them. You should always understand the stock that you're trading, why you're trading it. An example, I want to trade Tesla. Why do you want to trade Tesla? Tesla is in energy market. They're building autos. Not only that they're building autos, they are also a tech company. So they are creating useful things for consumer goods. So you should understand why you are trading into that stock market. So now I'm going to expand this BioCrust here. And then you can look at the chart pattern. You can switch it from line to candle in the upper right. You can click on 1 year, 1 week, day, month. And generally you always want to make sure that you always buy low here and sell high here. Or buy low here, sell high here. That's how you make your money. Now we're going to go back. And let's search a stock. I don't think I have showed you how. Let's type in Tesla, T-S-L-A, Tesla. So if you want to buy fractional shares, you do it on dollars. If you want to buy shares, you do it here. If you want to trade options, you do it here. Okay. So then we're going to go back. And you can read about the company. I do already own 2 contracts of Tesla. Friday's return is already $16. It is expiring on the 24th, next Friday, and I paid $393 for that stock, so $393. You can read about the company, the employees, other newses that come out. So here would be the news for Tesla. Let's go back home. So I'm pretty much sure that sums everything up on here. If you don't want a stock on your watch list, you just click the stock itself, click remove from watch list, or add to watch list. When you're looking up new stocks, you can always add to watch list. That's why they're in your watch list. Let's go back home. So anytime when you click on your watch list, it will bring you automatically to that stock as well. So let's go INNT, and it will bring you right to it. Okay, people, well, I hope you guys enjoy your trading and make some money.